National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Pottawatomie County in south central Oklahoma until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Pink, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Shawnee, Tecumseh, Pink, Middlesboro, Johnson, Dale, and Bethel Acres. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 174 and 194. Get in, get down, and cover up. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Grady in Caddo County.